In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram director mode not working. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Click on this drop down. From here, you can access director mode. In case it is missing, check for app update. So launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Snapchat. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this, the director mode should appear. Some Snapchat features are released gradually or are only available in certain countries. In that case, you can use VPN. So search for any VPN app. Download any of the VPN. Connect to the country where director mode is working. Next, you can completely delete Snapchat app from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the Snapchat app. Click on remove app. Click on remove. Then head over to App Store or Play Store. Search for Snapchat and download it. Lastly, if none of these solutions works for you, you can contact Snapchat support team. For that, go to settings, go to the option, help center. From here, you can search for director mode not working or missing and go through the solution process. So that's it. With these solutions, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.